Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Tori Chanel here, and today I'll be showing you guys part 2 video of how to install your U-part wig. This video is super duper self-explanatory at this point. I mean, if you saw part 1, you would know that that one was pretty much to the point too. So I literally just got out of the shower, clearly, and I just washed my hair and everything. So now in this video, you're just gonna see basically me blow dry my hair, straighten it, and blend my real hair with my weave hair or whatever. And yeah, it's quick to the point. So you guys just enjoy, and make sure you guys check out the description bar, obviously, for the link of this part 1 video. I'll leave that down there, and yeah, from this point, just enjoy the video, guys. Bye.
Talking to you. Mr. Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos feel like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Find myself all on my favorites. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation. And we don't gotta think about nothing. My wrist, stop touching. My neck is fuzzy. Red cake, deposits. My gloss is chubby. You like my hair? He thinks, just funny. I see it.
That's definitely the end of the video. I showed you 2 parts of how to not only braid your hair, but install and style your hair when you have a 3/4 wig, you know. And I made it into a clip-in style, so this should be easier for you guys to follow. It's my final look. I love it. It's convenient, it's fast, and it's so beautiful. If you guys are interested in where to buy and how to buy, just check out my shop at iamtorichanel1.maven.com and click Indian hair. This is the Indian straight, and I have it in 22 bundles, or 22 inch, 24 inch, and 26 inches. And it's all on the site. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned with your girl, because I ain't going nowhere.